Hello. Hi. On the 19th of July 2025, I was lucky to be among an empowerment program that was done by the distinguished Senator Natasha an empowerment program on drone security and environmental sustainability. And there I was given this. Well, if you don't know this, this is a drone. It's called DJI Neo and it's the motion fly combo. So we're gonna unbox it and see what is inside. You and I here right now. So join me. So this is how it looks like. The first opening. So when you open it further, the first thing you see is the drone itself. You're gonna bring it out and we're gonna talk about it a bit. This is the drone itself, and this is my first time running something like this. Well, here the first thing you will see is the camera. This is the camera, and it has a camera protector. I guess you just do it like this, and it's open. The camera, it's up and down movement, and I think it can also capture street view. And if you notice, it has two buttons, one here, and I believe this is the power button, the one close to the Type C port, and this one is the mode button. This drone, it's unique on its own, and the reason I say that is for the fact that it can fly by itself without using a controller or without using your phone, and that is why we have this mode button here. The button it allows you to change from one mode to another. It has 6 modes. I don't know them in details because I've not fly this once. In my next video, I'm going to fly this and I'm going to do more. I'm going to give you more information about it. Now, if you turn the drone upside down, you have the battery attached to it. I'm going to put that, which is this. And you have a sensor, and I believe this sensor is used to determine the environment, the balance, if you want to kind of land or if you want to take off. It's unique. Let's say it's unique. Reason because it has what we call palm landing and palm flying, which means it can take off from your palm and it can land on your palm. And I believe this is the sensor it's used to do that. In no time, give me 1 or 2 weeks, I'm going to be very good at this. I promise. Then that's for the drone. Here you have your chargeable port, which you can use to charge the drone itself if you input the battery. At the same time, I also believe you can use this chargeable port, which is the Type C port, to transfer video or photo footage from the drone direct to your computer, even when the drone is off. That's cool. So that's for that. Let's bring in the box. The second thing here is this box, and inside, let's take a look. This is an extra propeller, just in case this one gets bad. Another propeller, which means we have two propeller that comes with this drone. And look at what we have here. I believe this is the controller, and it's called motion controller. The reason is because you can kind of hold it, and when you do any motion with your hands, it's use the should I say AI, or it's just control. It just helps you, to control the drone wherever the drone is by turning your hand, doing it like this or doing it like this. And it has cool buttons here. Here we have the power button, and I believe this is the takeoff or landing button. This one is just to control which direction it goes, and this one is when you want to accelerate forward or backward. I don't know what this is. I believe this one is something you can use to navigate within the goggle, something like that, on a video I watch. And this one helps you to, change the mode if you want it to move fast or if you want it to move slow. Well, that's for the motion controller. We have something here, or it's a rope that we can use to, you know, hold on to the controller. And that's for that one. Let's see, we have more items inside the box. Wow, this is called, what is this called? It's called guide. Yeah, you can use this to fly the drone or educate yourself if you don't know how to fly that. I'm not sure I need this because I have YouTube. And we have a Type C USB cord. Yeah, this. Okay. Yes. We have battery charger. And this is the battery charger. It has two batteries in it. This one, and I guess the one On the drone, we're making it 3, which is this one here. So you can use this battery charger to charge the battery. At the same time, I learned that you can use it as your power bank, which means you can, charge your phone with this if it's fully charged. It has a power button here that indicates, I guess the battery is not charged right now, and it has a Type C cord here that you can use to what charge the battery. That's for the battery. The next thing inside the carton is the goggle. And this thing is huge. I love it. And this is used for FPV. The meaning of FPV is fixed person view, which simply means when you hear this, you're the only one that can be seeing what is going on. Although, from what I learned from YouTube, another person can view it, and the way that's happened is for the fact that the person will just plug in a Type C cord here and connect it with its phone. The person can be seeing what you are seeing. This is cool. Yeah, it has something here. It has a lot of things inside here, though. So let's check it out. You see that? It has some buttons. I guess this is antennas. It has also a microphone, sorry, a micro USB card, which means you can, add additional USB card. And I think this comes with about 22 gig. Sorry, the drone itself comes with about 22 gig of RAM, which means you can store your files, whether it's a video footage or a photo footage. Uh, well, let me put this on and see how it looks like. Guess this is where you reduce it. Right. And the good thing is, when I was making my research, you can wear this while you're wearing your lens or your eyeglass. It doesn't really stuff it. This is huge. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna reduce it a bit. And this is the battery. I didn't say that earlier. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna take off my cap. Um, well, I don't know. I'm not seeing myself right now. I don't know how I look. You tell me in the comment section, how do I look? This thing is huge, and I believe you pair this with the controller. You pair this with the controller, and when you're using the controller, you can use this to view it. How do I look? Does it look cute? I can't wait to fly this. Oh my god! Let me put it up to continue the video. Oh, wow, that's nice. That was nice. It was cool. I'm gonna put on my cap. Yeah. Hello. That's all we have in the box. In my next video, I'll be flying this and also be going to make tutorials on how to fly it. I'm just going to replace everything back inside till I fly. I'm going to charge it first. It has a charging port here, look. And it has some buttons, which I believe is the power button. I don't know what's this. We'll get to know better in my next video, like I said. And that's all for this. In the program, we are giving certificate and we were also oriented on how to fly the drone. Anyways, distinguished Senator Natasha Potidonha, I pray you say this. I want to say I love you and I want to say thank you for this great opportunity. I believe I'm going to utilize this to my best of knowledge and I'm going to be creative with it. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and I love you. Peace.